Hi! Nandito na ako sa shop. Duty lang ako na gabi. Because yung part-timer naming student ay may pasok ng full day ng Friday and Saturday. So, duty ako ng Friday, Saturday ng gabi. Gusto ko lang i-share yung natapos kong libro. And it's so ganda. 7 years sleep. Oh my God, sobrang ganda. Hindi pa ako makaget over dito. So, if meron kayong mare-recommend na ibang libro na same like this, parang romance with magical realism, please let me know. Sobrang ang ganda. First 5-star ko this year. So, actually, ang goal ko lang talaga magkaroon ng 1 book per month. So, yun yung initial goal ko. Or siguro, let's say, minimum. I hope makapagbasa pa ako ng mas marami. Daming time. Gagaligo.
Fresh na ulit.
Mas fresh pa ako tignan. How's your day?
My day is full of work.
My day is full of sleep.
Yay! You complete me.
We're going to McKinley for my training. Kulay. Go na kami. Bye-bye. Dahil na ang meeting. Ngayon mag-dinner na. Make natin si husband. Lalabas. Kuya? Thank you po. Hi! Kanina ka pa dyan? Yes. Itaray! May pa-flowers! Yay! Ha? Thank you, Bebu. Flowers! Kala mo ikaw lang nagbibideo. Video din ako. Bakit may pa-flowers? How's your dinner at Manhan?
Busog. Sarap.
Now we're having ice cream. Ice cream at TQ. Going home. Bye-bye!